Another day, another tutorial. Selamat pagi! Good morning everyone, Kenneth here. Today, this is another tutorial for the QCY. If you have any pairing problem between the QCY T3 earbuds, this is how you do it. To be honest, this will be the exact same steps as you would go with the QCY T1 or the T1S, but I just want to show you how to do it with this specific model. So what you're gonna do is take it first out of the case, which they will turn on, and you want to hold the stem right here to power them off. So hold it for a couple seconds, and the thing about this is you will have to hold for 8 seconds to power them off. So that is now off. Now you're gonna hold for another 20 seconds. Let's start now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, so now they are both turned off again, and now your problem should be solved. Basically, they are paired to each other. Just hold them for another 2 seconds, and basically when only the right side now is blinking white and red, it means it's in pairing mode. So now you will want to unpair any devices that you have got paired before, and now the QCY T3 is available to be paired. Once it is paired, it will stop blinking and it's ready to use. So that's pretty much it for the video. I hope it helped. Please do give a thumbs up if you like it, thumbs down if you don't like it. This is not my usual upload, so if you're new to the channel, I would really appreciate it if you could subscribe. And yeah, thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch you later.